Hello, hello. As always, for chapter 2, this is your good friend, Mr. McCarthy. We are in day 2, dividing by tens, hundreds, or thousands. I like puppies, so I'm going up here to ride the puppy's head. We're going to continue with our same goals from yesterday. Our vocabulary that I guess I didn't use in the lesson, but quotient, dividend, and divisor. When you are dividing, the quotient is the answer you are looking for. The dividend is the big number that you are dividing up, and the divisor is, I like to think of that as the divider, the number that's doing the dividing. So if I had 54 divided by 6 is 9. Oh my gosh, I almost said 8. Don't judge. 54 is the dividend. Divided by 6. 6 is the divisor, and 9 is the quotient. Yeah, I may have turned that fact around, but whatevs. You get the picture. So let's carry on where we left off yesterday. Take a look at the patterns here when we're dividing by hundreds or thousands now. And you can pause me if need be. Okay, good. Did you pause me? Did you notice that it's comparing the division facts to the multiplication facts? So if you're doing 9 times 100, it's 9 times 1 with 2 zeros. And 900 divided by 100, it's that same trick. Remember yesterday I was crossing out 1 0? Well, if you have 2 zeros, you can cross out 2 zeros. I'm going to pick a different color to make your life better. Cross out 2 zeros and 2 zeros. Oh, yeah. Sorry, ignore that one. Okay. Same thing, 9,000, 3 zeros there, divided by 1,000, 3 zeros there. It has to match up. You can't cross out 3 and 2. Or 14,000 and 1,000, and you just get 14. So far, so good. It's all right. Let's clear this, and we'll move forward. If you need time to study this, pause the screen and study it a bit. Okay, now when we're dividing by hundreds, you know, notice yesterday when we divided by tens, we moved our chips one place. When we divide by 100, we move our place value chips 2 places. Oh, look, there's 2 zeros, 2 places. And when we divide by thousands, we move 3 places. Oh, look, 3 zeros. Once again, study and look for the pattern. Here we're talking about moving chips. The next page we'll talk about moving the digits, and then I'll kind of drop that little tidbit about moving the decimal. Okay, same chart we looked at as the one before. And this young gentleman is saying each digit moves 2 places to the right when the number is divided by 100, and each one moves 3 places to the right when divided by 1,000. So you're moving your digits to the right. And remember what I also said is not only are you moving your digits to the right, but it's really helpful to think about it as your decimal moving to the left. All right? If you divide by 100, you're moving your decimal 2 places to the left. And I'm just going to throw it out here right now because I'm crazy that way. So if you're doing something like this, and you move your decimal 2 places over, that's what you're going to get. That's just for example, and that's a little bonus knowledge for you. You're welcome. Okay, take a moment, pause me, complete this table. You can just use your pen tool right on your Chromebook, or you can do it on paper, whatever works for you. You pause, I pause, we'll solve. Go. All right, did we all come to a happy agreement here? Of course we did. Let's carry on. Okay, using what you have learned today and the helpful hints from these wonderful friends, pause me, divide these, and then we'll check in together. Kaboom! Is that what we got? Of course we did. What I like to do here, remember, if you're dividing by 100, you can cross out 2 zeros. Dividing by 1,000, you can cross out 3 zeros. 2 there, 2 there, 3 there, 3 there. Neato Frito, man. And I'll clear my screen again. All right, go ahead and do these. You can pause me, and then I'm just going to go ahead and do them without pausing. So pause me. Oh, good, you paused me, so here I go. Like that, I got a 4. I can cross out 3. Pay attention on this one. I can cross out 3 and 3, not all 4. Same number on each. So 10 divided by 1 is 10. Cross out these 3. I can cross out those 3. And I get 124. And again, I'm dividing by 1,000. I'm crossing out 3, or I'm moving my decimal 3 places and getting 3230. All right. Now they're showing you this break apart strategy that we did with the tens again yesterday. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cross out these zeros again before I divide. Instead of doing 600 divided by 300, I can cross out 2 and 2, and I get 6 divided by 3 is 2. And that's essentially what they're doing here, and they're showing you why my little technique works. Look at what they're doing. I'm dividing that by 1,000, that by 1,000, and that's how that works, okay? It's saying is this 1,000 is those 3 zeros right there, okay? So you're doing 6,000 divided by those, and you get 6, and then you get divided by 2. Okay, it's kind of explaining what I'm doing, which is what I should do more often. Okay, pause me. Let me get out of the way. Come on. Oh, just difficult that way sometimes. Pause me and then solve. I'll meet you soon. All right, I'm back. And once again, I'm going to kind of blast through these because I like it when you watch. 24 divided by 100 is 2,400 divided by 100 is 24. Divided by 4 is 6. And this, boom, boom, boom. Got a 35, and I got a 5 right here. 4. Oh, hey, that looks familiar. 9. 8. 3 there. 3 there, and I get a 6. 3 there, 3 there, and I get a 9. 3 there, 3 there, and I get 51. Kaboom. As always, pause me at any time if you need to look at things. Whoa! How'd that happen? D-U-N. Done. Your homework is probably the next 2 workbook pages. Double check with your teacher just to be sure. And then IXL, always the IXL lessons that align with whatever you're doing here. 9JY is the code you can put in because the lesson numbers actually change from year to year. And as always, you can check your IXL skill plans. Go to Math and Focus 5th grade, Chapter 2 for what lines up with this lesson, and you will be good to go. Hey now, that was all right today. I'm going to sign off. I'm going to let you get cracking on your homework, and I'll join you for more Chapter 2 math tomorrow. Peace out, friends.